Welcome, here I've got Realme 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the composition option, so let's pick it. Now we can see that we have the grids and guides to the photo and to the video. So let me start with photo. When we tap here we can add some grid lines to our camera preview. We have the standard grid, diagonal lines and gold spiral. Let me start with grid and let's move back to the camera to see them. Now in the preview we can see these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Another tap to the right corner to the composition, the photo grid, and we can change them to diagonal lines. And let's move back to the camera preview. Now we can see this kind of composition. So the grid lines are also useful when we want to making experiments with our composition at the picture. Also, let's tap once again to the right corner, to the composition, to the photo, and pick the gold spiral. So in the preview it looks like that. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture or video. So let me take a photo and let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. Now we can't see these lines at the picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them or need another one, we have to tap to the right corner, to the composition here, and pick here in the photo whatever we need or just turn them off. And in the video we get access here only to the standard grid view. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.